Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog at Domesticated Me. I have a huge H&M haul for you today, and I do mean huge, like actually physically huge, because the box is ginormous and it's sitting to the side at my table because I couldn't possibly pick it up and carry it for this video. So it's sitting there. I have a ton of stuff to get through. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Usually what I'll do during a haul is I will bring the box in front of me and then I'll start taking out the pieces and telling you what it is, and then at the very end I'll do the try-on portion of it. I don't want the video to be too repetitive and I don't want to have it be forever long, so I'm just going to go ahead and try on the pieces and then add my little commentary as I'm showing you them as I'm wearing it. So I hope that's all right with you. If you guys prefer the other way, let me know. If you guys prefer it this way, let me know. I might include a little poll over here so you can tell me if you prefer the unboxing and try on or just straight try on review kind of thing. So let me know. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this haul. Here are the first pieces. This is a very pretty pleated skirt. It is in a lovely pink mauve shade. It is layered and has a lovely silky feel to it. It's also super affordable at just $29.99. I paired it with this lovely knit sweater. It is in a white color with black pearl-like beads around the collar and chest. I love the puffy sleeves and the way that they come in right at the cuffs. Here I've dressed it down with this fine knit hooded sweater. It's a very tongue-in-cheek kind of a sweater because if you don't notice, the straps say influential on them. I just thought it was very funny. It's very light and it is a bit cropped, super comfortable. I love it. It's definitely something that I'll wear in a future video. H&M is actually a perfect place to get some of your basic essentials. This V-neck t-shirt is just $12.99. It fits really well, super soft and light. I love the length of it because you can wear it out, tuck it in, knot it. It's a really good top to have. This might be my favorite piece from this entire haul. It is this beautiful black pleated skirt. It's a very nice thick material, but it's not super heavy, not super light. You can wear it for a night out or casually like I'm doing here in this outfit. I've paired it with this beautiful satin and lace camisole top, which is only $29.99. I wanted some of these camisoles with lace embellishments because I think they're beautiful to wear on their own, but also under sweaters. One of my favorite things about this camisole is the length. It's a really nice length that you can wear underneath or wear it out. Perfect length. This is the double-breasted jacket in a lovely pink color. It also has gold buttons. It's just a beautiful piece, especially if you love blazers and this kind of long jacket look. This is the second blazer that I'm going to feature in this haul. It is the pattern weave jacket. It retails for $49.99 and I absolutely love the pattern. It's classic, black and white, can go with almost anything. This one is also that longer length that kind of hits you at the bottom of your bum. It has two pockets. Again, kind of a straight, kind of oversized look. If you're into that, this is a really nice piece. If you guys aren't aware, H&M is a great place to buy cashmere because their pieces are beautiful and super affordable for cashmere. This one retails for $129. It's a lovely sweater, super soft. It has beautiful texture to it. I love the pattern and you can wear it out, you can tuck it in, you can wear it with jeans or a skirt, however you like. It's really a versatile piece. I also really like the V-neck. I also picked up that same camisole in this lovely pink color. I think it looks great on its own, under a blazer, or under a really nice chunky sweater. Speaking of sweaters, this is one of their knit sweaters. It retails for $39.99 and I absolutely love it. It is so soft and comfortable and I actually really love the length. As you can see, it's longer than your average sweater, but that just means that there's so many ways you can wear it. You can kind of tuck it into your pants, you can roll it in, you can wear it with a skirt, you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it on its own kind of like a sweater dress. My favorite feature is the V-neck. It's super open and stretchy. You can pull it down so that only one shoulder is covered. Both your shoulders can be uncovered. That camisole really pops through and just looks super pretty. H&M has a lot of great coats available right now. This is their coat with tie belt. It retails for $149. It is a beautiful gray coat. It is kind of that same oversized, straight figure. It definitely doesn't come in at the curves, but the tie really helps with cinching in your waist. It has 2 big pockets on the outside. I happen to love these robe style coats. I think they're very classic and chic and super comfy and easy to wear. The last piece is this felted coat, which retails for $99. I love the pattern. It's so beautiful and classic and very chic. This is definitely one of these oversized coats that you'll see a lot of this season. It kind of looks like you're wearing your dad's coat. So if you really like that oversized kind of coat, this is definitely a really beautiful one that you should check out. And the price is really affordable. So that was everything that I purchased from H&M. I hope that you enjoyed this haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Click that little bell icon so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. If you're part of that notification squad, as soon as my videos are published, you will get an email right in your inbox so that you know that there's a video to watch. And of course, please comment down below. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. Are you going to try any of these pieces? Is there a piece that I should know about that I should consider trying for my next haul or for my next order? Or just say hi. I love to hear from you guys. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.